If you like potted plants in your home, don't forget the peanuts. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Just ahead, I'll share a simple tip to keep your potted plants healthy right after this. Are you in the mood for some binge watching? Well, you're in luck because today's homeowner has partnered with Amazon Prime Video. Grab your favorite streaming device and log in to watch more than 175 full-length episodes of the Today's Homeowner television show. Get all of your best how-to advice and simple solutions for your home on demand. Best of all, it's totally free for Prime subscribers. Find Today's Homeowner on Amazon and start your viewing marathon today. A lot of people like to keep potted plants in their home, whether it's ornamentals or perhaps a nice herb garden. If you're one of those people, then you know it's important to have proper drainage in the pots. All that soggy soil can be just as damaging as not watering it at all. In the past, pebbles were used to help drain the excess water, but instead, try using extended polystyrene plastic. You know it better as a packing peanut. Fill anywhere from a third to half of the pot with peanuts before placing in the potting soil and plant. These foam pieces are made from 99% air, so they're much more lightweight than pebbles, making it much easier to move the plants around the house, and they do just as good a job as pebbles to move water away from the roots to help prevent the buildup of damaging plant fungus. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.